everyone, we are right now in Piazza della Repubblica. As you can see behind me, there's the famous carousel. Right in front of me, Via del Corso, where we're gonna go see the apartment of Firenze Rentals. Let's go. Via del Corso, and the location here is perfect because we just came from Piazza della Repubblica. Here on my left there's Piazza della Signoria, where's the statue, the copy of statue of David. On my right, Piazza del Duomo, and if you keep going straight in Via del Corso, a little bit after Via del Corso you will reach Piazza Santa Croce. Now let's go see the apartment. Here we are in Corso 12. We're gonna go to Suite Corso. It's on the 4th floor, but for this special apartment there's a private elevator. But we're gonna have to turn around because it's installed on the back of the building because it's only for this apartment. Just reached the private entrance of the elevator. The guests will have their own key. It's private, nobody else can come here. We've reached the apartment. We are on the balcony of one of the bedrooms. The first thing you're gonna see is the view of the Duomo right in front of you. It's so surreal with all the rooftops, the buildings. I think it doesn't get more Florentine than this. This is the first bedroom of Suite Corso 12. It has very high ceilings, a Florentine style. And another advantage of this balcony is all the air, the sun, and the light that comes in. The mattress and the pillows are memory foam. This way you can ensure a good night's sleep while laying in bed and watching the Duomo. There's also a private bathroom for this room. This is the bathroom. It has everything you might need, from towels to shampoo to hand soap, and it's brand new, recently renovated. So we're moving from this first bedroom to the second one, which is right here. This bedroom has a very romantic feel with the curtains around the bed, and even the furniture here are original pieces from the Renaissance age. The ceilings are high as well, like in the other room. And there's a big window, and you can enjoy the view of the Duomo lying in bed as well. So this is the second bathroom. Also, this one is fully equipped. It has everything you might need. We're going to move to the third bedroom. Here you have one bed and one couch. Again, very high ceiling, big window. And if you look outside the window, you will see the Badia Church, the Bargello Tower, and on the other side, the Duomo. We are now in the open area. There's a fully functional kitchen with a stove, washing machine, fridge, microwave. They even provide the capsules for the Nespresso machine. You have a very comfortable couch, a large dining table, very high ceilings like all the other rooms. And this is the balcony door. This balcony overlooks Via del Corso, which is usually a very busy and very noisy street, but these doors are soundproof. And it's a good thing actually that the bedrooms are on the other side of the apartment. This way you can ensure a good night's sleep, no noise at all. You could probably only hear the bell of the Duomo in the morning. In all Firenze Rentals apartments, you will be provided a city map that will help you get around, and it has also some suggestions if you'd like to try them. There's also this small booklet that has a lot of important information about the Wi-Fi, the checkout, the luggage, how to get around the city, the extra services if you'd like them, how to go to the mall, how to get around the Tuscany area, the bus schedule, and the privacy disclaimer. Thank you so much for watching our video. We'll see you in the next one. Ciao!